Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix BCD errors path not found. Boot Windows 10 USB or CD. Click Next. Click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type c:LN. Type cd space, Windows. Type cd space, System32. Type bootrec space, /fix mbr. Type bootrec space, /fix boot. If any errors, use following command. Type bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. Type bootrec /fixboot. Type attrib space, c:LN /boot /bcd space, -h space, -r space, -s. Path not found error occurred. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. Select your bootable disk. Click list space volume. Bootable volume is less than 500 MB and FAT32 file system. Type select space, vol space, 2. Type assign space, letter =sign vCLAN. Type list space, volume. Type forum space, fs =sign FAT32 space, override. Click list space volume. Type exit, type vCLAN. Type bcd boot space, c:LN \Windows space, /s space, vCLAN space, /f space, UEFI. Type exit and continue to start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.